Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can change admin on your Facebook page. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. Let's open up the Facebook app right here. And here you can see I have already logged into my Facebook page. Now all you have to do is just scroll down and tap on professional dashboard. Now here you can see, now scroll down again and find page access. Here iPhone, just tap right here. All you have to do is people with Facebook access, just tap on new, add new, tap on next icon. Now you have to search who can be your new admin. Like for example, let's tap here. And here you can see contents, messages and calls, community activity, ads, insight, and the most important one, allow the person to also have full control. If I just tap on and give access, so this person will be the new admin of my page and that person can handle all of the Facebook activities. So this is how you can easily change your admin on your page. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.